authentication only and you have forgotten your password, this is the video to help you reset your password. First things first, open an incognito tab. Make sure you're using a private browser. It will just make this process so much easier. You want to have the instance that you're trying to log into in one tab and your email pulled up in the next tab. So you're going to start like you would sign in, click the sign in button, and then go to forgot password and enter the email address that you used to sign in previously. Then click this verify email button. An email will be sent to your email. Make sure you keep this tab open and just navigate to your next tab where your email is. Also ensure that you're doing all of this in the same window within 2 separate tabs. Now that I'm in my email, this is what the email will look like. It will just be probably different color depending on what website you're using. Then click this confirm button. This is going to open another new tab in the same window where you need to confirm your email. So you're going to click confirm one more time. Your email address is now confirmed. We're going to go back to our original tab in the same window, the first tab that we had opened. Now you can see that pop-up of check your email is gone, and we have this window here to reset our password. So you can create your password, make sure that it sticks to the requirements here, and then click set password. Then you can see we have successfully reset our password. We go back to login and use those new credentials to sign in. And now you have successfully reset your password.